So hi, it's time for an announcement. Exactly 1 month from now, on 19th of April, on the occasion of Akshaya Tritiya, we are starting something very interesting. We are not actually starting it from the scratch. It's just a revival of something interesting that we had been doing 8 or 9 years back. Some of you might have heard about the Aspirations and Realisations Katta that used to happen in Pune. And it went silent, it went dormant for around 8-9 years, and now it is reviving with a completely new revamped format. So we used to meet on any one Sunday of the month for 2 hours, and after meeting there used to be some interesting games and activities. We used to play, we used to have informal conversations around a certain theme. And after that, there used to be a reflection session where, we got an opportunity to understand how different people think and look at each experience and situation, and how people across different phases and journeys of life have developed different perspectives. We hardly get any opportunity where we can meet and interact with people without any specific agenda. So it's not a networking event. It's not a workshop, it's not a gyaan session, so there's no gyaan happening. It is just a happy place to meet and interact with new people and understand how their journeys have been, and try to make a certain difference in our lives, which is completely optional. The main part is to have fun and meet new and different people who have been passing through different walks of life. The Katta will now be known as the Thrive Katta. For the ones who have never been to an ANR Katta, or the Thrive Katta as we'll be calling it now. So the basic idea behind it is that it should help us thrive in the 5 buckets of life. So many times our business or career is going well, our relationships are well, on money front, see, basically on paper everything looks good, but still we are not feeling nice, and there's no answer to that. And when we start meeting different people from different walks and phases of life, we end up getting different answers. And when we get into certain phases, we get access to people who have been our friends without agenda. I'm sure you understand that importance, like how we meet school friends and the kind of energy and synergy that we share with our old friends is only because we made those friendships without any agenda. And that is what happens on this platform. It is not a place for networking. It is not a workshop. It is not a gyaan session. Honestly, there's no gyaan session that happens at ANR Katta. It's just a place to have fun, make friends, have insightful conversations, forget all the stress that you're carrying. So 19th of April we are starting, and we'll be meeting on any one Sunday of the month. The calendar will be out very soon, and the timings will be 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. because the previous members who used to come for Aspirations and Realisations Katta, who are not in Pune now, but they have contacted me because they knew I was working on this, and they are saying, we want to travel and come to Pune because we don't want to miss that event. So try to keep it in the morning so that we can come on Saturday evening, stay in Pune, attend the Katta on Sunday morning, and come back to our respective places by Sunday evening or Sunday night, so that the Monday doesn't get affected. So this is helpful also for the ANR community who's not there in Pune now. Guys, we are reviving after 8-9 years. I remember it was a 350-400 odd people community. It just gives me a great nostalgia to even think about it, and I'm super excited. So the theme for this Katta will be announced soon. Then we'll be meeting on any one Sunday morning, 10:30 to 12:30 p.m. every month. So it is starting on 19th of April, exactly 1 month from now, and I really want to see you there. I'm sure the entire ANR community is completely excited about this because I've been receiving a lot of messages. But guys, we'll be having a very strict limited seat counter from this time. So make sure that you keep following the Thrive Sutras, because when we share the registration link, I would like you to actually come there and register yourselves, because we have a limit on how many people we take inside. So see you there. Mark your calendar for the 19th of April. Keep thriving.